This week ended with 55 hour in clean setup. Let's break them down one by one, and yes, every one of them was forecasted before it happened. GBPUSD on Tuesday, price induced Frankfurt low. Gave us multiple entries right here and here. I got in here. Up to the supply we got from this trade 9.44 RR. Then we got this build up. Induced to the supply. Gave another charge change of character on lower time frame, and then the price juked down. $9.44 RR plus 14.45 is equal 23.89 hours, just only from this day. Let's go to the next day, Euro USD Wednesday. On Wednesday, Euro USD, the only valid BOI was this supply. Price did not just go in. Price did not just move in one leg. Instead, it was making higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high. I picked this demand because it got a break structure imbalance, and this leg hasn't yet mitigated the supply. I confirmed this demand will hold with EDM. Let me show you. You see that? This trade I managed to secure 3.31 RRs. Plus before mitigation of supply here, we have built up built up inducement into the supply. We got here a change of character, almost hit my 2 pip SL here, but it didn't. I got from this trade 20.45 RR. 20.45 hour. Total is 23.76 RR. Let's go to Thursday GBP USD. See what happened here. Asian session took yesterday's liquidity. Price is trickling. It's way up, higher high, higher low. I was waiting for this supply to be mitigated, so I traded into the supply from this 5-minute demand, securing above 6R, 6.5R. So total is 23.76 plus 23.89 equal 54.15 hour in one week, just in 1 week. So let me know if you have learned anything or have any questions. Comment down below. In case you want to see markups or forecast before these big moves play out, you can join my free Discord down below in the description or comment below. The only reason I did not enter somewhere around here is because I knew there was a red news. I don't trade news. So that's it.